Ever wondered how your money magically zips across the internet with just a few clicks when you're buying that must-have gadget or subscribing to your favorite service? That's the power of PayPal, a digital middleman making online commerce smooth sailing. First, you link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. This provides PayPal with the funds it needs to facilitate your transactions. When you buy something online and choose PayPal, here's what happens. You authorize the payment, and PayPal instantly verifies you have sufficient funds or credit. Then, PayPal transfers the money to the seller's account. The seller receives the payment notification, and you receive confirmation of your purchase, without either party directly exchanging sensitive financial information. Security is paramount. PayPal uses advanced encryption to protect your financial data. They also have sophisticated fraud detection systems that monitor transactions for suspicious activity, and real humans actively monitor accounts. This multi-layered approach keeps your transactions safe. Whether you're buying or selling, PayPal streamlines the process for buyers. It's a secure and convenient way to pay. For sellers, it's a trusted platform that builds confidence and encourages sales. So, next time you're shopping online, remember PayPal is working behind the scenes, making digital commerce seamless and secure around the globe.